If you are thinking about buying an Apple TV 4K right now, stop everything you are doing and put your credit card away. What Apple is quietly preparing behind closed doors for late 2026 is not just a minor refresh or a routine speed bump, it is a massive overhaul that will make the current model look like an ancient artifact. Leaks from inside supply chains, insider database filings, and internal test builds of tvOS have exposed details about a device so powerful, so capable, and so fundamentally different from anything else on the market that it is going to completely change how you use your living room television. If you step back and look at the current Apple TV 4K, it is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, the exact same processor that debuted inside the iPhone 13 years ago. While that chip was a beast when it launched, it is starting to show its age under heavy modern workloads, high bitrate media streaming, and advanced smart home routing. Apple knows this, and according to multiple supply chain reports, the 2026 Apple TV 4K is getting a dramatic leap in computing power. We are talking about a jump straight to the A17 Pro or even the A18 processor, a 3nm chipset that packs billions of additional transistors into the same compact chassis. Along with this chip comes an upgrade to 8GB of RAM, double what the current model offers. Why does a streaming box need that much firepower? The answer lies in two major areas: full-blown AAA video gaming and local artificial intelligence. For years, tech commentators mocked the idea of Apple TV becoming a serious gaming platform. But with hardware-accelerated ray tracing baked into the 3nm GPU, the 2026 Apple TV 4K will be capable of natively running console-quality games like Resident Evil, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed without needing a PC or a PlayStation 5. Imagine turning your $129 streaming box into a silent, ultra-efficient gaming console that connects instantly to your Xbox or PlayStation controller, delivering ray-traced lighting and steady high-frame-rate gameplay right on your big screen. That computing muscle serves another purpose that Apple is desperate to lead: Apple Intelligence. Right now, streaming interfaces are cluttered, slow, and terrible at search. You spend 20 minutes scrolling through menus trying to find something to watch, typing letter by letter with a remote. The 2026 Apple TV 4K changes that entirely with an upgraded, AI-powered Siri. You won't have to search for exact movie titles anymore. You will be able to speak naturally into your remote and say things like, "Show me that suspense movie from the 90s where the main character lives in Chicago and wears a leather jacket," and the system will immediately pull up the exact scene or title across all your subscribed apps. The AI integration goes far deeper than search. Leaked details from tvOS development builds indicate that the new processor enables real-time on-device video upscaling. That means older content, 720p sitcoms from the early 2000s, 1080p YouTube videos, or home movies, will be processed frame by frame using neural network models, upscaling them to crisp, high-frequency 4K resolution without the lag, digital artifacts, or blurry smudging created by cheap TV processors. For home theater enthusiasts, one of the biggest complaints about current streaming devices has been audio handling. If you own an expensive soundbar or a dedicated AV receiver with height speakers, you know the frustration of compressed audio formats. Leaks confirm that Apple is addressing this directly by introducing full HDMI audio pass-through support. This allows bitstream pass-through for high-end formats like Dolby Atmos and lossless spatial audio directly to your sound system without downmixing or altering the original audio signal. The device is also receiving dedicated hardware AV1 decoding, meaning streaming services can deliver higher quality video bitrates using significantly less bandwidth, eliminating buffering during peak hours. When it comes to connectivity, the 2026 Apple TV 4K is dropping standard wireless components in favor of Apple's custom-designed in-one wireless chip. This brings full Wi-Fi 7 and Wi-Fi 6E support into the box. If you live in a crowded house with multiple phones, tablets, laptops, and smart home devices all competing for network bandwidth, Wi-Fi 7 opens up the ultra-wide 6 GHz band. This guarantees that your 4K HDR Dolby Vision stream gets zero interference, even if someone else in the house is downloading massive files on another device. The smart home capabilities are also getting a complete transformation. Apple is positioning the 2026 Apple TV 4K as the undisputed central hub for the entire smart home. Armed with full-thread radio, Matter controller support, and improved Bluetooth, it will handle dozens of smart lights, security cameras, door locks, and environmental sensors simultaneously with zero latency. If someone rings your smart doorbell, your Apple TV will trigger a low-latency picture-in-picture video feed in the corner of your television without interrupting the movie or game you are watching. Perhaps one of the most intriguing leaks points toward a major redesign for the iconic Siri remote. While the brushed aluminum body will likely remain, internal circuit board leaks reveal the inclusion of Apple's U1 or U2 ultra-wideband chip. Anyone who has ever owned an Apple TV knows the pain of losing the remote between couch cushions. With precision Find My tracking built directly into the new remote, your iPhone will show you a directional arrow, distance readout, and audio chime that guides you straight to your lost remote down to the exact inch. No more torn-up living rooms or buying third-party silicone cases just to slap an AirTag onto your controller. There are also persistent reports suggesting Apple is experimenting with modular accessories. Leaked patents suggest a magnetically attached or USB-C connected high-definition camera accessory designed specifically for FaceTime and video conferencing on the big screen. Instead of balance props or positioning your iPhone on top of the TV set, a dedicated camera with center stage tech will keep you in frame automatically as you walk around the living room during video calls. Now, let's address the crucial questions: how much will this cost, and when can you actually buy it? Supply chain analysts indicate that Apple is eyeing two potential pricing strategies. The first rumor points to an aggressive price cut, potentially pushing an entry-level model down below the $100 mark to wipe out competitors like the Roku Ultra and Fire TV Cube. The second, more likely scenario is a two-tier product lineup, a budget-friendly base model for standard streaming, and a higher-tier Pro model priced around $149 to $199 packed with the maxed-out processor, extra storage, and advanced smart home hardware. As for the release window, all signs and production schedules point to a September 2026 reveal during Apple's flagship fall hardware event. Production validation testing is already underway, and component orders have been locked in with key suppliers.